Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about delete transient. So before jumping into the code, let's see what we have done in the previous video. So if you don't know what we have done in the previous video, this is the video. I would suggest to go and check this video first and then come back over here. So in the previous video we created a custom shortcode where we are displaying some list of post type. This is the book post type, which is created in this custom plugin, and the shortcode is also created in this custom plugin. So this is the shortcode. So in previous video we encounter an issue using transient. So currently this result is coming from transient, and when we use transient, uh, we did 6-hour expiration of the transient. So within 6 hours it will be updated, otherwise it will keep giving a record from the transient. So let me show you what issue we faced. So let's add a new book. Call Mahabharata and publish. So if you see that Mahabharata is added, so ideally it should display over here when we refresh this, but it is not displaying because transient is not expired yet. So in order to overcome this issue, we should delete transient. So in such cases where we are updating a data at that time, we should delete transient. So what we are going to do is we will delete transient when we add a new book post type. So in order to do that, we have to use this function. So let's open our file from the custom plugin. So this is my local WordPress repo. I will go to content plugins. My plugin includes and shortcodes.php. Actually not in this code, in this file. I will use another file called custom action filters. So let's get rid of the sidebar and we will use action called save post type. So this action trigger when we add a new post, and for particular post type we can add post type after that. So now we are using book post type over here. So I will delete specifically when the book is added, otherwise I would keep this only, and this will trigger on all post type save. But for the simplicity I will add this for the book post type only. So add action, and let's see the slug for the book post type, which is book. Give the callback name. I would say BWP delete transient, and this will have 1, 2, and 3 argument, but we don't need it. We will use only one, which is post ID. Actually, we don't need this as well, but we have to use at least one. Now we will use this delete transient, and in this we have to pass transient key. So which transient key we have to delete? So for that I will open our previous code where we have written set transient, and this is the key. So our data is stored in this transient key. So we have to delete this transient. So I will copy this and paste it over here. So now when any book post type is added, it will delete this transient. Once the transient is deleted, updated data will start displaying over here. So let's do that. Now I will add another book called APJ Kalam, and let's publish it. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, now APJ Kalam and the Mahabharata is also started displaying, and we can see the transient is updated as well. And now if we refresh this again, now this is coming from transient. See, there is no transient update as for this, and also no query for this. So this is coming from transient. So this is how we can use delete transient. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.